Let me show you how to make a simple shadow box that can easily open and close. First, measure and mark a 1/4 inch down from the side edge of a 2-foot board. This mark will be where you cut a groove to hold the glass. Cut the groove using a track saw. The groove needs to be a 1/4 inch deep. Measure and mark 2 9-inch and 2 11-inch long pieces from the board. Then cut using a miter saw. With the miter saw, make 45-degree cuts on the corners of all of the pieces. On all 4 pieces, from the edge closest to the groove, measure and mark 1 inch and cut with a table saw. Sand off edges with 220 grit sandpaper. Put on your gloves and stain the boards using a brush and rag to wipe off excess stain, and follow the dry time recommendations. Assemble the body of the box using wood glue and a nail gun. Then, assemble the top of the box by placing the glass in the grooves and securing it with wood glue and nails. On the right underside of the box top, measure and mark 5.5 inches and drill out a small hole for a magnet to sit in. Repeat this process on the right side of the body of the box. This is where the magnets will be touching when the box is closed. Super glue the magnets to the holes and allow the glue to dry. Attach 2 hinges to the left-hand side of the box. Measure 2 inches from the top of the box and the bottom so the hinges are evenly placed. Secure hinges with screws. Measure and cut the backer board using the table saw, then attach with nails. Now you can fill your shadow box up with souvenirs, hang it up on the wall, and enjoy. For more projects like this, check out familyhandyman.com.